Alright guys, I got a few mullet coming by me here and there, so I'm going to take this chance to show you how easy it is to throw a cast net. Everybody wants to take this cast net. All you got to do is grab about waist down, but everybody wants to take this cast net. They want to divide the net, then they want to divide it again, throw it over the hand. They want to put some in their hand, put some in their teeth. That's all complicated. I can't see how anybody wants to throw nets like that. What I do is I grab it about waist down, and the weights are sitting on the ground. I grab it about waist down. I got all the rope in the same hand, but I grab the net about waist down. It's doubled right here. But then I just reach down. The weights that are in front, I grab it, set it on a couple of fingers. The weights on my side, see this string of weights right here? The weights on my side, I'm going to grab them near the bottom, and I'm going to set it on a couple of fingers. Now, what I try to teach people to do when I'm showing them, when I'm out fishing and stuff like that, when I'm showing them, is teach them to just grab their pocket or their belt loop, keep their fingers loose. You don't have to grab the weights. You just keep your fingers loose, just like this. Keep your fingers loose. You grab your pocket. When you go back and then forward, it opens every time. These things are actually designed to open themselves up a little. But to illustrate how simple this really is, I'm going to set it up the same way. Now I've got it about I've grabbed it, it's about waist high. I'm a short guy. It's about waist high. I'm going to grab weights in the front, set it on a couple of fingers. The weight's on my side, this string on my side, not the opposite side. The weight's on my side, I'm going to grab it. Now to show you how easy this is, I'm going to take a couple of these weights, just like this, and I'm going to put them right in my pocket. Let me get this out the way. Put it right in my pocket. See, this is one hand only. I take it, just like I said, I go back one time forward, and it opens on its own. When those weights are ready to leave your second hand, they will leave on their own. You don't have to throw your other hand out there. So, I'll try to show it again a little bit later when I'm not standing in knee-deep water. Right now I'm going to try to catch a few little mullet as they're passing by. Alright guys, I'm standing on shore so I can show you better. This is a 6-foot cast net. So, I mean, it's brand new, so if I fail, I just fail. And no excuses. But I take my net, I grab it about waist high, just around about waist high. Now I'm going to reach down, grab 2 weights, see, one on each side of the hand, and I'm just going to set it right there on those 2 fingers. Reach down, the weight's on my side, right here, the weight's on my side, that's the ones I'm going to grab. So I'm going to grab these, and again, I'm going to show you how simple it is to throw a cast net. 2 of these weights, I'm just going to reach over, I'm going to stick them in my pocket. See, 2 of those weights are in my pocket. You could actually, if the need arises, you can throw this with one hand, just like that. Because when these weights are ready to go, they will go on their own. So I have the net set up right here. I know there's a few mullet out here. I don't know what size. Go back, forward. Baby croaker. but I want some of those mullet. I don't want the croaker. So I'm going to do this the regular way. But I thread this on my right hand because I'm right-handed. I put all the rope in my right hand. That way everything's just in one nice neat bundle. Let me clean this net out again. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I didn't see him, but I got plenty of those. So let him go live another day, maybe. So I make sure the net's clean, but I grab about waist down, just like that. Pick up a set of weights, set them on those two fingers. The weights on my side, right here, because that net is actually open right there. But so the weight's on my side, and I flip my hand to where these just sit right on my fingers. And what I tell people is to stick your pinky in your pocket, because when these weights are ready to go out of this hand, when they're ready to leave this hand, they will go on their own as long as you're not holding on to them. Do not hold on to them. Just let them rest on your fingers. You can hook your fingers just a little bit to keep a hold of it, but put your finger in your pocket to teach yourself not to move your left hand. The net is open right there with a little bit of motion where I go backwards and then forwards. The net will start to spin and open itself up. Don't sit there and rock this, because a lot of times that will twist the net up. So what you want to do is you want to set it down, have the net settled. Then you can pick it up, and when you're ready to throw, so let the net settle. When you pick it up and you're ready to throw, you just go backwards one time, forward. And it opens really easy every time, as long as you make sure that the net's not tangled up before you throw it. So now I'm going to clean this net out, and I'm going to go back to fishing.